Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of yellow triangle, unidentified network or no network access. As said in previous videos, this might be related to several problems, and if the previous solutions didn't work for you, then you might have to watch this video to see the solution. So in this video, I'm going to show you or going to suggest to you to do a reset to your router. So basically, you might have been editing, changing the settings of your router, and then due to some changement, you got this problem. So all what you will have to do in this video is to go to your router. Unfortunately, we cannot cover all the router type, but this is some of the pictures of where you can find the reset button. The reset button is a small hole inside your router, and it comes for different routers, and each router include a reset button where you can see it. So for example, for this one, it's in the back. For this one is also in the back, and for some routers, it's in the front. So you will have to press the button by introducing something very thin inside of it and make sure that the router restart when you are pressing the button. So you will have just to press the button for a few seconds until your router reset, and that's it. This factory reset These factory resets will push you to use the initial Wi-Fi password. What does it mean? This means that your router is like new, like you brought it from the factory or from the seller. You have to enter your SSID or you have to go to your internet connection, and you will see your, as you can see here, SSID or network name here. And to connect to it, you have to enter the password which came printed on your router, Wi-Fi key. As soon as you do that, this should resolve the problem. And if this doesn't work, please watch the next video for additional solutions. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.